Chapter 3: The First Civilization. The word civilization comes from the Greek word civic, which means city. Civilization is that stage in man's life when he looks for more than just the fulfillment of his basic needs. It can be characterized by the following features: urban settlements, food supply system, development of economic activities, application of technology, different religious ideas and practice, maintenance of law and order, collection of taxes. Pioneers of discovery. Up to the second decade of the 20th century, nothing was known about the Indus Valley or Harappan civilization. It is believed that Indian history was only about 3,500 years old. In 1826, construction workers at a railway track near Harappa were using the bricks from a nearby ruin. An Englishman had discovered some mounds of baked bricks in a little village known as Harappa. In 1921, Sir John Marshall, Director of Archaeological Survey of India, entrusted the job to R.B. Dayaram Sahni, Superintendent of Archaeological Survey of India. R.B. Dayaram Sahni discovered a huge city lying buried under the debris of sand and bricks at Harappa in Montgomery district of West Punjab. In 1922, R.D. Banerjee, Superintendent of Western Circle of the Archaeological Survey of India, made similar excavations at Mohenjo-daro means in Larkana district of Sindh province. Mohenjo-daro means the mound of the dead and Harappa means the food of Shiva. Extent and main sites. Our knowledge about Harappan civilization mainly depends upon the archaeological evidences. It is because the first cities of the Indus culture to be excavated were that of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. However, for many years it was believed that this civilization was limited to the valley of River Indus. But some more excavations revealed that the Indus civilization was spread over large parts of north and central India, Rajasthan, northwestern India, Sindh and Balochistan. Besides Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, other important sites of this culture were Ropar, Punjab; Lothal, Rangpur and Rojdi in Gujarat; Kalibangan, Rajasthan; Kotdare, Amri and Chahudaro, Sindh, in Pakistan; Binwali, Haryana; Alamgirpur, Uttar Pradesh, and many more. Period. Primarily, the Indus Valley civilization began in roughly in 2500 BC and lasted in 1500 BC, but in certain areas, it continued even after 1500 B. The Harappan people did not left behind any written records, but very few sentences have been found on seals. Rather, what is written on those seals is not possible to read. So, our knowledge about the people's dresses, living styles, work, layout of buildings, etc. is only on the ruins of the cities, pottery, clay seals, toys, ornaments, statues, etc. Building on the citadel. The impressive buildings mostly located on the citadel have been found at Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. A palace-like building, called granary, is the largest building in Mohenjo-daro. Another well-known structure at Mohenjo-daro is the Great Bath. The Great Bath is a rectangular structure resembling a swimming pool, which may have been used for religious bathing. A large number of wells have been discovered on the cities. The drainage system of these cities was perfect. Brick-laid channels flowed through the main streets. The drains were covered with stone pieces that could be removed for cleaning the drains. Water and sewage drain running alongside the main roads. Citadel and granaries. The cities were divided into two parts. The raised part of the city, often described as a fort or administrative block, was called the citadel. The citadel had massive walls and its height provided protection against the recurrent floods of the Indus River. The other part, called granaries, contained public buildings such as storehouses for grains as well as important factories and workshops. Each granary measured 15.23 meters x 6.09 meters. In Mohenjo-daro, the largest granary measured about 46 meters x 15 meters. The houses were 1 or 2 stories high. They were separated by narrow but straight lines. All the houses were made of 2 or more rooms, a bathroom, a kitchen and a courtyard. Food, wheat and barley were the main crops. These were used to make bread. People were fond of milk, meat, fish, eggs, etc. Clothes. The people wrapped long pieces of cloth around them. The men wore a band of cloth around them, called dhoti. They grew beards and had long hair. Women had complicated hairstyles. They probably wore something like a lehenga and used a sheet to cover themselves around the waist. Ornaments, jewelry was very popular with women. Both men and women wore ornaments made of gold and silver. Beads and precious stones were used in jewelry. Amusements. The people of the Harappan culture amused themselves in different ways. Toys such as small clay carts, figures of animals, marbles, dolls and whistles were provided to the children. They enjoyed singing and dancing. They also played a game similar to the modern game of chess. Occupations and crafts. The Harappan people were engaged in different types of occupations. There were farmers, weavers, potters, jewelers, metal workers, toy makers, stone cutters, seal makers and traders. The seals are one of the most important discovery of their civilization. More than 2,000 seals been discovered during excavations. The seals are mostly flat and rectangular, which are made of terracotta. Some seals bear animals' figures and picture-like signs. Probably, they were used by merchants and traders to stamp their goods. The seals inform us about the artistic skills, trade contacts, dress ornaments, religious beliefs and the script of the Harappan people. Weapons. People used axes, daggers, maces and spears. The weapons were made of copper and bronze. No big forts have been discovered. The people of Indus Valley were peace-loving. Religion. The Indus Valley people worshipped many gods and goddesses. They were believed to prosperity. Pashupati was the Shiva with 3 heads. Trees and animals were worshipped. Among the birds, the dove was held in reverence. The dead were burnt and the ashes immersed in water. There is also evidence which suggests that the Harappans believed in life after death. The excavated graves contain articles such as pottery and jewelry, which may have belonged to the dead. It was perhaps believed that the dead may require these in his as her lift after death. Fall of Harappan civilization. The seasons for its decay are not known. The cities might have been destroyed by floods or some epidemic. It is also possible that the cities were attacked and destroyed by some foreign invaders. Indeed, it was a sad event in the history of India and it took 1000 years before any cities of comparable importance came into existence. Indus Valley and the modern Indian civilization. It is indeed exciting to discover that people in India had a way of life that is a model for millions of people even today. Town planning, city roads, drainage, arts and craft, and achieved an excellence that would be the envy of even the modern city dweller. Pyramids of Egypt. During the period 2686 to 1633 BC, the Egyptian kings were buried under hanged stone pyramids. Giza has the most famous pyramid where 3 kings and their chief queens were buried. Originally these pyramids were encased in white limestone, but this have now disappeared. The bodies of the dead nobles were embalmed to prevent them from decaying. The process took 70 days and funeral took place only after that. Everything the dead man needed in the next world was placed in the burial chamber. The objects buried with the mummies included food, clothes, ornaments, musical instruments and sometimes even serving men and women. Poor people were buried in holes in the sand. Relatives supplied in holes in the sand. Relatives supplied the best they could afford to make the dead person comfortable in the next world. Megaliths. The practice of erecting megaliths in India dates back to about 3000 years ago. Megaliths have been found in northeast Deccan as well as in Kashmir. There is so much that we learn about the past from the objects and skeletons found in the burials. Skeletal studies tell us that the pelvic area of women is relatively large. so we can infer whether the skeleton is that of a man or woman. Decline of the Indus Valley Civilization. The Indus Valley Civilization lasted from 2500 to 1500 BC approximately. Excavations have revealed that the city of Mohenjo-daro was built and rebuilt several times. The exact causes of decline are not known. Perhaps Harappan civilization was destroyed by earthquakes, floods or change in course of the Indus. Some historians even that the invasion of Aryans led to the decline of Harappan civilization.